Hi, I'm Kathy O'Brien, and I am an Aging Care Program Coordinator for the Central Ohio Area Agency on Aging. We're going to see my client Lynn, who lives in a senior housing in Hilliard, Ohio. She's been there for a couple of years. I'm just going today to check on her, our regular contact schedule, make sure she's doing okay, see if she has any other needs.
My name is Katie White. I'm the director of the Central Ohio Area Agency on Aging. Every area agency on aging follows the same mandate, which is to ensure that we plan, fund, and serve our region. But what we're able to do is to also react to local needs. So in Central Ohio, we provide education, outreach, connection to information and resources, but the majority of our work is revolved around our in-home case management. So our staff of nearly 300 registered nurses and licensed social workers go out into the community to assess needs and to coordinate the services that older adults and people with disabilities want to be able to remain in their homes.
I visit them in their home and I address any concerns or needs that they may have and assist them in calling any resources they might need or providing them with information and advocacy, and try to help them maintain their living situation, their housing, and monitor their services if they're meeting their needs.
How are you? It smells so good in here.
My name's Lynn Green. I live at the Wellington Village in Hilliard. It's a senior apartment complex.
There's a grant that we have right now for what's called the rental subsidy program. That has helped her tremendously with her everyday stress level because now she has a little bit of breathing room.
The rental subsidy program has been not just so I have extra money, which is very important in this day and age, but the mental aspect of it is phenomenal because even in this place, you know, I'm one of the lower income ones. I don't feel like I'm swimming alone.
So generally speaking, that process, they would talk to our wonderful staff at the front desk, go to our screening department who will ask really specific questions to understand what their needs and qualifications might be. If we think they're going to be qualified for one of the case management programs, then one of our assessors will go out to their home and ask a series of questions, take a look around the home, and just see what that individual might be needing. So all of that happens between 1 and 10 days.
There's certain things I can't do with my back problem and being on oxygen. They gave me the names of places to call for transportation, and they supply emotional support. So I have a daughter who I rely on quite a bit, and she comes over at least once a week, or if I call her and I need her. I have a 16-year-old granddaughter. So she's real busy too, but she does a lot. You know, if a family member, even any kind of caregiver, they're going to get burnt out.
There's caregiver support groups, and they can access that through our website, and that caregiver can go in and do what the daughter or son would normally do, you know, help with bathing, dressing, and provide supervision while they're at work, things like that.
It's amazing. I'm not ready to be in an assisted living or anything like that. I still have quite a few years I hope to give back, and so it means everything to have your own home.
For more information and to find resources inside caregiving, go to wosu.org/inside.